You may not like the sound of this, but these are way better than the dunks. Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. My name is Edmund, and in this video we will be reviewing a sneaker from a brand which started off all the Jordan collaborations you see today. That brand is Undefeated, and today we have the Undefeated Air Force 1 Ballistic. If you've never heard of Undefeated, then you're lying. Nah, I'm playing. But Undefeated was founded in 2002 by Eddie Cruz and James Bond. Not that James Bond, this James Bond. Undefeated is an LA-based streetwear and sneaker boutique who have a good number of collabs with Nike. The most notable being the collab with Jumpman, which brought us the highly coveted Undefeated Jordan 4 in the beautiful olive nubuck. This sneaker is the father of all these collabs you see with Jumpman, literally. This released in 2005, making this and Undefeated the first sneaker boutique to design an exclusive collaboration with Jordan brand. But enough of that grill. Today we're focusing on the Air Force 1. This is not the first time we've seen this design on a sneaker. This is essentially a copy of the Undefeated Nike Dunk High Ballistic, which released in 2003. Like the 2003 Dunk High, this Air Force is coated in a military green tone with shades of olive. The base of the sneaker is a multi-textured ballistic mesh. The overlay sections come in this suede and leather, offering this sneaker a high-profile look. The heavy military green and olive used on this shoe is broken up by some black elements, such as the black laces found on the tongue. On the tongue you can find some Undefeated branding, also found on the lateral side of both sneakers at the heel. Also on the heel you will find Nike Air branding. The sneaker comes with this vintage vibe as it sits on this nice aged midsole and then sits on your black outer sole. Quality wise, in hand it feels good, so you can definitely feel the differences in materials such as suede and the nubuck, as well as the mesh. Quality control wise, my pair seems to have a mark on the heel here, as well as a bit of dirt on the midsole. So Undefeated, Nike, wagwan with that, chat to your boy. But overall, I really do like the look of these sneakers. I definitely do love the look of the Air Force 1s, and these Undefeateds are one of my favorite to release, along with the STUSSY Air Force 1s in the black colorway, link in the description. But with this release, copying the Nike Dunk High pair from 2003, let me know which of the two you prefer, the Air Force 1s or the Nike Dunk Highs. We'll now move on to the price and resale of the sneaker, as well as my overall final thoughts on the Undefeated Air Force 1 Ballistic. So I copped this pair off the Undefeated website when they dropped last week on Friday for a price of £150. Resale wise, it's not looking too crazy right now, with pairs fetching for anywhere between £120 to £190, depending on your size. But either way, those prices to me are still right now. So if you do not hit for retail, cop while you can. Overall, I messed with these a lot, and I think they're a lot nicer than the Nike Dunks, which also dropped as part of this pack. I messed up going for one size bigger than my usual. This is US 15, I'm usually US 14, so I'm strongly considering finding a way to trade for my size. So if you have a US 14, let me know in the comments. I'll message your boy on Instagram. But let me know your thoughts on the Undefeated Nike Air Force 1 Ballistic. Would you agree that these are better than the Dunks? Feel free to drop your thoughts and any questions in the comment section down below. If you are Team Air Force, then you might like this video on the STUSSY Air Force 1. Or if you are Team Dunks, then this video on the Nike Dunk High Panda might be for you. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for future videos like this. I appreciate you guys for checking in today, and as always, stay blessed.